It's been a long time coming, but after a lot of effort, my website is finally live online for you guys to check out and utilize all the tools that I've made available to you to be able to utilize, especially if you're in the home buying process. Starting with the quick search, a very important feature for all of you to utilize. It's actually helpful if you're looking to buy a property because the quick search feature is linked to our real estate MLS, which you will be able to find live up-to-date properties that are available for sale better than any Realtor.com website or Zillow.com website that has a lot of old listings. And for the ones who don't know me, I've added a little bit of a biography of myself so you guys can get to know me a little bit better. Other cool features like property portfolio, sell my home, and sign up for updates can help you, especially if you're a homeowner looking to find out what your home is worth. All you're gonna do is sign up and put your property address, and in the next 24 to 48 hours after signing up, you will get a free market analysis, no strings attached. And sign up for updates if you wanna stay up to date with what's going on in Miami real estate, and the market in general. And for the ones that don't know Miami very well, I've actually had a community features added into it so you guys can learn a little bit about the different areas of Miami to see if you would like to live in areas like downtown, Brickell, Coral Gables, Pinecrest, Doral, Kendall, and much more. We've been able to help clients relocate out of Florida, into Florida, buy their first home, investment properties. I encourage you to come check out our client testimonials so you can see with your own eyes all the different types of families we've been able to help. To check out our website, all you gotta do is click the link in the bio or go to Google and click Broach.realtor.com to check out our website. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida, and I'll see you next time. Take care.